3 Flutter packages that make your life easier. 1. Flutter Toast. This package allows developers to easily show toast notifications in their Flutter applications, which gives the user a high-quality feeling with little effort. 2. Flutter_launcher_icons. You have finished your app and want to change your icons without knowing anything about Xcode and Android. Then Flutter_launcher_icons is the right choice for you. You just provide your icon as PNG. Run the command flutter pub run flutter_launcher_icons, and the rest is handled in the background. 3. Freezed code generator. Freezed is a code generator that reduces the amount of boilerplate code for you. For a lot of classes, you want the same functionality as a .copyWith method that creates a new instance of the class with one or more modified variables. An equality operator, =, that lets you compare if all variables of the class are the same. From JSON and to JSON function that works with JSON_serializable. In total, Freezed lets you code faster and avoids a lot of boilerplate code. Subscribe IntelliLogix for more cool informative videos. Thank you.